Welcome to Airblast Insider. Hi everyone, this is an important one today. Welcome to this episode of Airblast Insider with me, Dean. Today's episode is all about blast nozzles and how to check for wear and tear. But first, why is it so important to check? Well, it's all to do with the amount of compressed air you need to blast effectively. So let me explain. Let's take a 5/16 inch Ventura nozzle. To achieve 100 psi, you're going to need a 140 CFM compressor, and over time, and depending on how much blasting you're doing, that nozzle is going to start wearing. Now, if you don't make regular checks, you might find that that 5/16 inch nozzle you bought 6 months ago has turned itself into a 3/8 inch to internal wear, and you're going to need 200 CFM. Essentially, to achieve the same pressure, to do the same job effectively, you're going to need more pressure and more abrasive. Now, it's worth remembering that if internal wear exceeds 1/16 of an inch, more than the original size nozzle, your production could nosedive by up to 20%. And that's going to have a massive impact on your business. If you don't check your nozzles for wear and you continue to use the same compressor, you're going to find it will struggle to keep up. Apart from the pressure drop and loss of blast efficiency, you might see oil and water discharge, and if that gets into your blast pot, you could find yourself having to undertake a full strip down. Now, that's not good news for you, your business, or your wallet. So check your nozzles regularly every day, and it's easy to do. You just need to make sure you've got one of these, a nozzle orifice gauge in your toolkit. Simply take the pencil from the end and mark the rounded side of the gauge like this. Slide it into the threaded side of the nozzle and give it a few turns. When you take it out, you'll see a line scratched into the grease mark. That's the size your nozzle is currently working at. You can buy these gauges online. They're not going to break the bank, but they will save you a lot of money in the long run. So until next time, blast safely and keep checking. For more great content from Airblast Eurospray, don't forget to check out the website.